Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you our vibrating wire converter, the VWbus. Before we start, here's the outline of this video. Spec, feature, housing, wire configuration, and installation. VWbus is a converter that transfers the VW sensor frequency into data. Let's talk about the spec. Communication, Modbus RS485. Excitation voltage, 5 volts or 12 volts. Frequency range, 400 to 6000 Hz. Temperature reading accuracy, 0.5 Celsius. Temperature sensor type, NTC3K. VW reading, better than 0.01 Hz accuracy. Power down mode, 0.5 mA max. Power supply voltage, 10 to 20 VDC. Power supply current in active mode, 15 mA max at 12 VDC. VWbus has 2 channels, and each channel allows for temperature reading and VW reading. It calculates the frequency of vibrating wire signals. Real-time data processing and converting. The VWbus offers a flexible monitoring system allowing users to gather up-to-date data and information remotely from your workstation. Now, we move on to housing. You'll see 2 sensor connectors and 1 power and RS485 connector. You can refer to the wire configuration as shown in this figure. Power supply, RS485 connector, and sensors. Now we move on to installation. First, connect the sensor to the VWbus. Here's a friendly reminder, VWbus can connect up to 2 sensors. Second, connect RS485 to your PC or data logger. Third, connect the power supply. Please check out our other videos how to set up VWbus and VWbus application. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlien.com. For more information, please feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlien Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.